Tower Hamlets is one of the most densely populated boroughs in the capital. Residents here also present a higher than average prevalence of mental health problems, and the council hopes their £1 million investment into green space will contribute to improving public health.
I think we do face a challenge in Tower Hamlets between the need to build more homes for local people, but that has to be balanced as well with protecting and preserving green space, because we know that there's huge physical and mental health benefits. So by using money from planning developments and other sources to invest in green space, we can get that balance right and make sure that people have access to a green space on their doorstep so they can get out and about more, get physically active and improve their mental well-being.
However, residents say the influx of people into the borough means the council's investment is just a drop in the ocean when it comes to supporting its vast population.
£1 million sounds like a lot, but it really isn't, and I think it needs to be much more than that. I've lived here 25 years in Spitalfields, and I've seen how many people have now moved into the area. The population must have doubled, tripled in that time. It's become a really pleasant place to be, but on the other hand, a very stressful place to be. It's between the city and between residential zones of different groups and backgrounds, and it really is somewhere that needs, it's a melting pot that needs to have investment to improve the well-being of the people who use the spaces. And it's mental health that is affected, I think, and I feel it closely. My own family have somebody who's suffering from mental health issues. I'd like to see the council take over a real design challenge in improving these spaces, not just the green space and planting, but also the environments around it, so the walls, the immediate vacant plots, taking ownership and control, or attempting to improve them.
GPs in the borough welcome the funding and say while it's not the only answer, it is a vital step in supporting the public's well-being.
So we actually have very high rates of mental health in Tower Hamlets. If you're depressed, it's difficult to motivate yourself to take care of your wider health. So we're really keen to encourage activity, both because actually being physically active is good for you, but also there's the whole issue around actually getting out that activity social. I think it's a difficult transition in thinking from our traditional way of, let's buy more psychiatrists, more time, but we're now moving into an environment where we're actually saying investing in the environment that people live in, investing in helping them live their lives more healthily is going to make an enormous difference into the future.